Hey everybody, my name is Denise and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my night skincare routine. To start, I do have sensitive skin, so some of the products I have been using a long time, and there are other products that I've only been using about a year. All right, let's get started. So first I'm going to put on my headband to just push back my hair. And then I will start with the Micellar cleansing water to remove my eye makeup. Now, I don't use foundation. I don't put makeup on my skin. One, because I don't know how to do it. And two, I don't have time to do a whole full face of makeup because in the morning I do have an hour commute to go to work. So I try to minimize my time getting ready. So I've always just done eye makeup. So I'm going to take it and put it on a cotton pad. A round cotton pad, circular motion and out to remove my eye makeup. After I have removed my eye makeup, I use the Roche-Posay Purifying Foam Cleanser to wash my face. First, I use warm water to wet my face, and then I will begin cleansing. I'll put about this much, then I lather it up, and then I go in circular motion. This cleanser I have been using a long time. I really love it. Doesn't dry out my skin, especially since normally in the wintertime, my skin tends to get a little dry. Next, I will rinse it off with warm water. And then I take a face cloth and gently pat my face to dry. Now that my face is dry, I start off with I'm From Rice Toner. Now this rice toner I have been using about a year. You could either put it on a cotton pad or put it on your hand and pat it on. That's what I usually do. I like to put maybe this much. I did read somewhere that when you apply products, not only onto your face, but onto your chest and your neck, you're supposed to go in the upward motion because this is supposed to help lift and tighten the skin. Next, I go in with the Roc eye cream, only about a small size. Then I put it on my ring finger. And then I just pat underneath my eye. Every other night, I do use the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. Since I am in my late 30s, I have to start using anti-aging products, and so far this has not irritated my skin. I really like it. So far, since it's been working, I continue it. I just put a little bit on my forehead, then I dab onto each cheek, my nose, my chin, and then some spots on my neck and chest. Then I rub circular motion gently until it dries. Now I don't put it underneath my eye since I did put an eye cream already. Just go underneath, just like that. Now I will use the COSRX Snail Mucin. This I actually have been using only about a year. I do about 3 pumps, spread it, and then this I also pat onto my face so it has a better absorption. Just like that. Go in also on your chest, on your neck. Then I use my handy dandy fan. Now I love this fan. I got it from Marshall's. It was like about $6. The best thing ever, but only $6. So I use it to dry this product before I go in with my night cream. And it's pink. Once I use the fan for a few, I then go in with my CeraVe night cream. This I also have been using for a long time. Now I like to put, again, on each cheek, just like so, on my nose, on my neck, and chest. And then rub it in as well. Circular motion. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching my video on my night skincare routine. Hopefully some of these products maybe you're using and you love them as well, or maybe there are some products that you were thinking about using and maybe will now use them too. If you like this video, please click the like button below and or subscribe to my channel. As always, be kind, especially to yourself. Bye everybody!